We often see neat, green, and durable artificial turf widely used in sports fields, school playgrounds, residential yards, and landscape projects. It delivers a natural visual effect for all venues. However, few people know how high-quality turf rolls are professionally made. Today, take a full tour of our factory and explore the complete manufacturing process behind every premium artificial turf. Premium turf performance starts with strict raw material selection. We use eco-friendly plastic pellets as core materials, compliant with international environmental standards, matched with quality color master batches, anti-aging and UV-resistant additives with precise computerized proportioning and even mixing. Raw materials maintain stable performance. This scientific formula prevents fading, yellowing, and aging, helping our turf resist sun exposure, rain, and wind erosion, keeping a perfect appearance and stable performance in all outdoor weather. Well-mixed raw materials are sent to extrusion, equipment for high-temperature melting, and phyla, mint-forming melted materials pass through precision molds into uniform turf filaments, which are then water-cooled, shaped, and multi-stage stretched. This mature process endows each filament with excellent softness, elasticity, toughness, and wear resistance. The turf features strong resilience and stability, avoiding flattening, deformation, or breakage under long-term stepping and friction. Single turf filaments go through professional twisting and plying to form high-tensile, integrated yarns with stable structure. This key process greatly improves the turf overall strength and toughness, effectively preventing filament loosening, breakage, and shedding during long-term use. It significantly extends the service life, making our turf sturdy enough for frequent and long-time application. Senior iOS. Tufting is the core shaping process for artificial turf. Advanced high-speed tufting machines weave premium yarns tightly and neatly onto high-strength base fabric. We accurately adjust pile height, stitch density, and needle spacing according to international standards and customer custom requirements. Neatly arranged filaments for mauve, flat, and highly simulated natural grass surface with a realistic visual effect. Tufted turf is only a semi-finished product with loose filament roots, so back coating is the decisive step for turf quality and durability. We even light coat the turf base with safe, odorless, and high-adhesion eco-friendly glue, then cure it at constant high temperature. This firmly locks all filament roots to the base fabric, effectively preventing shedding, peeling, and cracking, ensuring every roll of our artificial turf features solid quality, great durability, and stable performance for long-term outdoor use.